Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In this video, I'll guide you through how to install Windows 11 by bypassing the high system requirements that Microsoft has set. Whether your PC doesn't meet the official specs or you're just looking for a workaround, this video has got you covered. In the first part, I'll show you how to download the Windows 11 ISO file. And in the second part, we'll configure a bootable USB and install Windows 11 step by step. And now, let's get started. In the first part, we're going to download the Windows 11 ISO file. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11. Click on the first link that appears, which should be the official Microsoft website. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the section titled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select the version of Windows 11 you want to download and click on Download Now. After that, a new option will appear, asking you to choose a language. Select your preferred language, press Confirm, and the file will start downloading. Now that we have the Windows 11 ISO file, it's time to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. First, open your browser and search for Rufus. Click on the official website and download the latest version. I recommend choosing the portable version to avoid installing the program. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on Rufus to run the tool. If a User Account Control (UAC) prompt appears, simply click Yes to continue. Next, insert a USB drive into your system, ensuring it has at least 8 GB of storage, as Rufus will automatically detect it. Inside Rufus, click the Select button located under the Boot Selection section and browse your files to locate and select the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded earlier. Now, under the Partition Scheme option, select MBR if you intend to use the USB drive on systems with BIOS or UEFI. If you're working with UEFI-only systems, you can leave the partition scheme as is. Scroll to the bottom of the Rufus window and click Start. A Windows User Experience box will appear, offering several customization options. Check the box next to Remove Requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. Additionally, check Remove Requirement for an online Microsoft account and Disable Data Collection. Skip privacy questions. Once you've made these selections, click OK. Rufus will then warn you that all data on the USB drive will be erased, so confirm this by clicking OK again. Rufus will now begin creating the bootable USB drive. Once the process is complete and you see the Ready message, your bootable Windows 11 USB drive is ready for use. Eject the USB drive safely, and you're all set to proceed with the installation. Now that your bootable USB is ready, you can begin the installation of Windows 11 while bypassing the system requirements. Start by plugging the bootable USB drive into the target system and restarting the machine. To enter the boot device selection menu, press the designated F key repeatedly, usually F10, F12, F2, or ESC. Keep in mind that the exact key may vary depending on your motherboard's manufacturer, so it could be different for your specific machine. Once you're in the boot menu, use the arrow keys to select the USB drive from the list and press Enter to boot from it. When the system boots from the USB,
I think the girls with their nails done now.
you'll be prompted to select your language and region. After making your selections, click Next, then click Install Now. To start the installation process. If you're asked for a product key, choose the I don't have a product key option to skip this step.
Dying alone. lost my best friend.
Next, you'll be asked to select the version of Windows 11 you want to install, such as Home, Pro, Enterprise, or Education, and click Next. After accepting the End User License Agreement, EULA, click Next and choose the Custom Installation option. You'll now see a list of drives. Select the one where you want to install Windows 11. If necessary, format the drive by clicking on the Format button before proceeding. Once you're ready, click Next. And the installation will begin. Thanks to the modifications applied in Rufus, the TPM and secure boot checks will be bypassed, allowing the installation to proceed without issue. Your system will restart several times during this process. Once the installation completes, the system will boot to the Windows 11 setup page. It's recommended to disconnect your computer from the internet during this stage to avoid any delays caused by Windows trying to check for updates. You'll be prompted to enter your name. After completing these steps, click Next, and Windows will prepare your system for its first boot.
Could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Or could you love me now? A haunted.
In a few moments, you'll arrive at the Windows 11 desktop, completing the installation successfully on a system that doesn't meet the usual requirements. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Someone